It records video at 2K, comes in a compact package, and has both an LED light and an infrared light for night vision. Let's do a quick unboxing. Having a closer look, on the front we have 4 infrared LEDs for night vision, the motion sensor, a microphone, the indicator light, the camera lens, and the white spotlights. On the bottom, we see the speaker and the rubber seal for the USB port, micro SD card slot up to 128 GB, and the reset and power buttons. On top, there's the integrated solar panel, and on the back, the mounting backplate.